Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need the provider's account and the exact voice identifier before you begin. First, sign in and verify your account. Once done, open account settings and create an API key or generate an access token. Make sure to note the voice name exactly as listed. You'll use that credential and the voice ID in requests, so copy them into a secure note. Also prepare the device you'll test on with working audio. That reduces troubleshooting later. Now construct the actual TTS request using the provider's API or official SDK. Include your API key in the authorization header and specify the exact voice ID. Configure output settings like sample rate and format, for example, 22050 Hz and MP3, and set speech parameters such as speed and pitch to match the popular voice. Once configured, send a short test string. If the audio matches, proceed. If not, iterate settings and confirm the voice ID is correct. Finish by downloading the final audio and double-checking license terms to ensure legal use. Integrate the TTS call into your app or workflow and add retry logic and rate limit handling. Make sure to store your API key securely and rotate it if required. If the voice sounds wrong, verify the exact voice ID, check the API region and key, and confirm you're using the provider's current SDK version. If those are correct, test with a known working sample to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.